Feeling fast, fast, fast. You and last, last, last. Getting gap, gap, gap. Cause we Midwest fast, huh? Feeling fast, fast, fast. You and last, last, last. Getting gap, gap, gap. Cause we Midwest fast, fast. Cutlass gon' quick.
Wow! Yeah! Wow! The Mutt Truck for the win. Didn't cross till after. This thing right here, it made one right now. Best of luck. Glad to see you out here.
Oh, so glad to be out here, just putting on a show, if anything.
Heck yeah. Love the track. Always good seeing you guys.
Oh yeah, can't wait to see you guys again.
Be safe.
Oh yeah.
was Armageddon again.
Again, yeah, I know.
Woo! That was Armageddon repeat. Wow.
You get that?
Yeah. We all did.
Holy. That man can drive. Trying to kill me?
A little bit of a heart attack. That one was close.
You're a crazy man, but man, can you drive?
I wasn't lifting until I seen him pull out away, and I felt like the race was still a race, even though I couldn't see ahead of me. I was watching him, but as soon as it started to walk on the back tires a little, I burped it and floored it as it came down, and I was just so thankful. I mean, I really thought that was going to be the big one, and but the truck works, on the street a lot better than the track. What do you do?
It's sticky right now. You can
Yeah,
tell.
it's too sticky for me.
Well, you can drive, man. You're a crazy man that can drive the wheels off of it.
Yeah,
Hey.
we might not have won the race, but I think we won a lot of
Oh,
fans.
you're going to win YouTube all over.
Yeah. It's been a while since we put on a show on YouTube, so this will refresh
Well, we've got
us a
three
little.
of us here that are going to have some really good different angles. So
Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Hey, I love seeing you at our local track, man.
Yeah,
You guys are so nice
We'll
all
run
the
into you, down the road some more. So stop by.
H-Town, Armageddon, I'll be at all of them.
Well, I'll
So-
get her fixed. She's a little hurt now. We're heading home anyhow, so that's why we figured we'd just put on a show. And
Heck yeah.
so
I'm glad you came to our home track, man. That's awesome. You guys
man,
are
I
always
love
so
these small
nice.
tracks like this here. It just the hometown feel and the fans are the best. You go to a big track and nobody cares. These tracks is what we live for.
Well, definitely blessed to call you a friend, man. Appreciate everything. Have
Thank
a safe
you.
trip back.
You
Happy
bet.
4th.
You bet.
Getting gap, cause we Midwest fast. Cutlass gon' quick. Hit the knots and dip out making these hits. And that's a green S10. Pops at the wheel gon' lift the front end. We don't know where you been. We was done under 10, boy, running this strip. Catch up to the whip. Boy, you talk that shit to the line real quick. Still one with a chase. Don't cross in my lane, skinny sauce on the paint. And that's built from the frame. Putting in work like JXK. And then we go and hit the stage. Same night, Jay, go different states. And you get gapped any day. Hit us up, you get gapped any day.